Alright guys, so I'm making this quick little update video, just reviewing the Quip Toothbrush. And I gotta say, this is 3 months later. Time flies, really does. And they sent me a brand new brush head, and I'm just here. I'm gonna unbox it real quick, and I'm gonna give you guys my overall review. Alright, so here's what you're gonna get inside if you subscribe to get brand new brush heads every 3 months, which is a very handy feature. I'm gonna get to that in a little bit. You get a fresh new battery, which is a nice little touch. It's a Panasonic brand. And you have a nice little manual. So I guess this is giving you some stats, which is pretty cool. You know, read that at your own time. I'm gonna rest it down here. And yeah, this is how it looks. A nice little, cute little case that it comes with. Pretty nice. Can we cut this without nails? Alright, good. We could just twist it. Alright, I didn't bring my unboxing knife. But yeah, nice little case, nice little presentation. And it's very easy to replace your brush head. This is my old brush head. Looks worn out, obviously. I use it every day, every night. And this is the fresh new one. And I gotta say, this toothbrush is probably one of the best toothbrush in my entire life, for real. I like the timer. Like when you press this button, it vibrates. And you know, the vibration removes more plaque than an ordinary toothbrush. And not only that, it has a timer. So really, you're supposed to brush your teeth for like 2 minutes. Before this toothbrush, I was only brushing my teeth for like about maybe a minute, less than a minute, honestly. And yeah, this toothbrush definitely helped me brush my teeth more efficiently. So when you, I don't know if I want to show you guys this, but when you disconnect it, you're gonna have a bunch of, you know, old paste, and it's gonna still be wet. Now you could take a toothpick and get in between the creases. Crusty crab. Now to remove the battery, they sent me an email with instructions. This may be tough for you because of the crust. Yo guys, I feel so silly right now. I'm over here fighting with this, but in reality, the battery is right inside. Wow, I feel silly. Alright, so yeah, so just keep in mind, the battery's inside. Another thing too I just thought of, you could actually take your old brush, you could just brush out all the crust that you may find, because you're gonna throw out this old brush head anyway. And sometimes with an ordinary toothbrush, we forget, we humans. And even with a motorized fancy toothbrush, sometimes you can forget to buy the brand new brush head, or sometimes forget to buy the battery, and then you just end up throwing the whole thing away. And it's always important to have your brush head replaced every 3 months, at least every 3 months, for the maximum result. And yeah, I love this toothbrush. So yeah, I highly recommend this toothbrush for $30. I would say this is a great deal here. You're getting brand new brush heads every 3 months. The motor is a game changer. Not only are you removing more plaque than an ordinary toothbrush, it's also a timer, so it's gonna pause every second. So 30 seconds on one side, 30 seconds on the other side, 30 seconds on the top. All of that equal out to be 2 minutes. So make sure you guys watch the unboxing video. If I had to give this on a scale of 1 through 5, I'm easily gonna give this a 5 out of 5. It could be a little expensive going with the aluminum one, but the plastic one it's no slouch either. It got the job done. It's the same exact brush head. Everything is the same. It's just the aesthetic purposes. And they say this is like the iPhone of toothbrushes. I think the subscription thing is the new vibe. It's the new wave right now, because we brought a brand new printer the other day, and you know, you don't need to go to the store to buy ink no more. It's $10 a month. You're paying $10 a month, but HP, it's an HP printer. They can see your ink level, and they'll send you brand new ink. So if you need a black ink, they'll send it to you. If you need a blue ink, they'll send it to you. And just for $10 a month, that's just the new wave right now, these subscription services. And you know, of course we have Apple Music and all that. But that's how you replace the brush head, and that's my quick little update on this toothbrush. Highly recommend it.